Hi everyone, hope you guys are well. So in this video I'm going to show you how to prepare a construction program using Excel spreadsheet. So if you're a project manager or design manager or site manager, and if you don't know how to use a program on Excel spreadsheet, so that will be very useful. So if you look at this program, here I've got on the first row, this row here, so I go activities and then I go durations for the overall program of the job, and then I go 15 weeks, so week number, so 15 weeks program. So here I go all the activities, and that's going to happen throughout the project. So we go pre-contract period, which is 5 weeks. Within that period we go inquiry, then we go tender analysis, and then we'll have to agree on a contract sum. So if you add all these three numbers together, then you'll have this 5 week period. And then we go the construction period, which we've got 8 weeks. So within the 8 weeks we'll have these activities. So we go design, then we go fabrication, and then we go installation. So for design we go 2 weeks, fabrication 3 weeks, and then we go installation 3 weeks. So altogether 8 weeks. And then finish as we go 2 weeks, where you're going to do snuggings and cleaning, or handover, all other activities. So how are you going to do your program now? So if you look at the pre-contract period, so we go inquiries, so we need to send the inquiries out. So we go only 1 week, so we're going to fill this one with a color, so let's say yellow color. And then we go 2 weeks for tender analysis. So once we go our prices back from main contractor or subcontractor, then we'll have to analysis all our tenders, so that will be 2 weeks, so that will be week 2 and 3. So if we just highlight these with a different color, and then we go 2 weeks to agree on a contract sum, so that will be week 4 and 5. So if I do this color, and after the construction period, which is 8 weeks, so we go design 2 weeks, so that will be week 6 and 7. We go to design period, so I'll put this color, and then we go fabrication 3 weeks, so I'll do 3 weeks, so I'll put red color. And then installation I go 3 weeks, 1 2 3, so I'll put this color. Then after that we go a snagging period of 2 weeks, so finishes, where we're going to do handover and everything else, so which will be another 2 weeks. So I learned in this color, yeah. So yeah, this is your overall construction period. So in fact we could fill these pre-contract period and construction period as well. So pre-contract period 5 weeks, so 1 2 3 4 5, so we can highlight this with, say, this color. And then construction period we go 8 weeks, so we go 8 weeks, which is start from here to there, and highlight this one with a different color. So maybe this color. Yeah, so that's how we have to do a short program using Excel spreadsheet. So yeah, so if you guys like my video, please don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching.